guys, we thought we'd come out today and go to our local Myers and check out some of the RVs that we're contemplating. This one here is the Alpine 390 DS. We do like a lot of the DS, the dual bedrooms, because we do have a college student child that will be somewhat living with us, so we need some room. So come on in. So it's your kitchen, nice big kitchen living room area, full couch on this side, so great, does pull out to your bed, got recliners, storage, heck yes. Your living TVs across, more storage up top, cubby storage down below. This camper has lots. Kitchen, nice, quiet. Lots of room, nice big island, love that. Love the big sink, twofers, plenty of drawers. One of my favorite features, what are you supposed to do with a garbage can? Well, there you go, solved. Stick. Typical appliances. This is a Samsung, so you definitely have a residential refrigerator in this one. Nice big storage over here. All this up top, down the bottom. Coffee bar.
Coffee for the win.
Coffee bar.
Yeah, yeah.
So love all the storage. And then
Got
up top.
an insane bunkhouse.
Up top, all the way up, down through. Lots of room. Little shelf, so if you did have kids staying up there, there's a spot where you can put the TV right down there. This is your second bedroom. So this one here is just a queen size bed, but it's got outlets on both sides. You have little end tables, storage underneath the bed. You have all the storage on the side.
Lots of storage. Deep.
Hanging.
Yeah. You got hanging.
You know,
And here for your TV set up already.
So, which is great. Back.
Full bath.
Full bath. So, great little freaking vanity. Plenty of room. Spot your garbage, toilet, top medicine cabinet, and your full shower.
Shower is a little tight.
It is
Any
typical
more than
RV shower.
Yeah. Any more than 6 foot and you're
Yeah.
gonna be in a little trouble.
Yep. So,
Okay.
and then up top, of course, you're gonna go into your main bath and your master. All your control panels here, which is nice, not digital.
Yep, mechanical.
Like
It's a little better. You got your thermostats there.
less things to break. And the master bath really actually has a crap ton of storage. You have all kinds of cabinets. Get in there, babe.
I can get in there.
A little tight.
Then you got the bottom storage, plenty.
Your shower with your triple door, so it seals nice, but opens wide enough. Basic shower head.
A pretty decent. What the hell do you call it? Skylight. Boom, skylight. I knew that.
This cabinet is pretty cool. You have your toilet holder built in.
Yep.
Yeah, and then you have your trash can built in.
And then a slider.
A slider.
The wife loves it.
Love it. I love anything that slides for storage.
Mm-hmm.
Get that stuff all the way to the back.
Hold on, baby.
Oh, rubber sealed.
Oh, Jesus.
Keep
Okay.
it
We got it. We got it.
going. And then you can cut right into the master. Bed is laid out just like the other, except for this is a king. You have your end tables.
Yeah.
Both sides have
Both
plug-ins.
sides.
Little cubbies underneath even the end
Oh.
tables.
I didn't see that.
Yeah, those little cubbies.
It's a little dark. Sorry, guys, but unfortunately, there's no power to these. Well, is there? What is this? Oh! I lied.
Good power.
My bad.
Turn the
Now, hold
lights
on. There you go. Let's get it better. Oh, it's flickering. Battery's not strong.
But you have your whole front is your hanging closet area. Shelf up top does have a lip.
Yeah.
And you have another closet area.
Yeah.
Or
Set up for your
washer dryer.
washer dryer.
All your plug-ins.
Nice.
Everything you need. Real nice.
TV mounts up there.
Yep.
And you got a nice little cabinet.
Nice little 6-drawer dresser.
Unfortunately, this does not raise up like most. I was surprised.
Yeah, not a secret hidden.
No.
Storage underneath, obviously the usual.
Yep.
So.
Shut these lights off before we get in trouble.
And then back out.
Yeah.
Into your main living. So that is that one.
That is that. Oh, don't forget the ceiling fan.
Oh, yeah.
I love any one of them that has a ceiling fan.
It does help with that air movement. So, and that's that. So thanks for looking at this one with us, and we're going to go check out some more.
Yep. Thank you. Like and subscribe.
Yep.
Bye now.